Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful short stories. We draw life skills, life lessons, life values from them and become thought leaders. Let's get started. This story is about 100 years ago. Zen monastery. There are many teachers, there are Zen masters, there are students, and it's got a Zen temple. And plus, there are many visitors who visit on a daily basis. Most people who live in the Zen temple or at the Zen monastery, they do some or the other work. Somebody will take up work of cleaning the dishes, somebody will cook, some teach, some clean, some do gardening, some go get vegetables, some go get water, some clean up the place and all that. Out of that, there was this one Zen monk who had this duty of cleaning the path. There was almost about 70 meters of path, which was it was a stone path, nicely, neatly arranged stones were there, and there were trees on both sides. Beautiful looking trees. It was very nice. And Zen monastery was there at the end. Visitors would come, people would come, students would come, and they would go and all that. So this particular Zen monk, his duty was every day he will take a big broom and he will just clean up all the leaves or the flowers which fall all during the day, and in the morning, just when the sun rises, he will start cleaning them up. He'll put them together, he puts them in a large heap and he leaves it in one part of the corner for the municipality or somebody to pick it up. He did that every day. Just like every monk who does their duty, he does every single day. He'll remove and he'll put it up all together in a large heap. He will leave it in the corner. Now, what happened is one young student joined. A young student who had joined, his age was 11 years old, and this student was a new admission. Every morning he would get up and he will just sit at the stairs. He just sit at the stairs and just look at the Zen monk. It was just his second or third day. And he will see the monk come clean. And by the time he reaches the 70th meter, he did what this young boy observed, that some leaves will fall. There were about 10, 20 leaves or some flowers or something will fall on the path. And it will fall. He just cleaned it and there are some leaves and there are some flowers still on the path. Okay. So day one, this boy sees and he sees what is this? Okay. The master has cleaned up most of it, but still there are some. Okay. New ones have fallen down. Anyway, this person just takes a look and he looks at the boy and looks at the path. He feels very satisfied with the work. He thinks that he has done a great job, gives a nice, beautiful smile and goes. However, the boy thinks still it is not clean, no? There are about some 20, 25 leaves are there, with freshly fallen leaves and all. Because this keeps happening around the day, it keeps happening. And day two again, the Zen master comes, cleans up, and everything makes a heap and puts it out there. While he is doing it, again, in the process itself, it takes about half an hour to do that. During that time, something, this boy is watching. This boy is thinking, what's happening? Again, the Zen master will turn back. He'll look at his job. Oh, he's very happy what he has done. He looks at the boy, gives him a nice smile, and he's very happy, and he leaves. Like this, 3, 4 days go by. Then he goes to and asks, Master, I know, I can see you're cleaning it, but still there are some left. No, while you're cleaning some left, why are you not removing them? Why are you not removing them? And it seems like you're very satisfied with your work. You're very happy. He said, yes, I'm extremely happy for whatever I have done. And he says, you think about it. Why I'm letting those leaves there? Yes, I've cleaned just now. And just now, few things have fallen. And why am I not bothered about cleaning it? Day and day, I leave it every single day. It teaches me a very important lesson, and you should also learn that lesson. What was the lesson that Zen master wanted this 11-year-old boy to teach? Shravan started, and most of you resonated with it. Is this is life. We should not worry about small things in life. Keep taking actions, keep moving forward. The lesson which was that which had taught that monk, and also he wanted the young boy to learn, was that yes, life is, there are some parts, there'll be always some parts which are going to be messy. How much ever you work, you cannot do that. But then start to enjoy things the way it is. This is how the nature is. This is how the world is created. And that's how is your life and my life. Just like that. Be satisfied with what you are doing. And don't aim for perfection. Perfection, as everybody, most of you said, perfection is a killer, action is a winner. Just keep taking actions. And you should be very proud of the efforts. Many of us, we chase to be class number one, to be this and that and all the things. Please chase hard work. Chase that, yes, I did good. I gave my 100% effort. Work on that. Isn't it? Today, if you see Dishan, we gave him morning ritual. Yukta is having an exam. Vishal is traveling. And he got the opportunity. Did he make some mistakes? Yes, he did. No doubt about it. But then I'm very happy, very proud that he took up leadership. He is putting in the effort. Yes, unless you put in the effort, you cannot move forward. Dishan, we are very proud of you, each and every one of you. I'm so proud of you. Keep taking actions. Don't worry about perfections.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.